The commercial vehicle industry is on the verge of a new era. The Internet of Things is radically changing how we transport goods and people. Growth in big data will increase vehicle intelligence. As critical information flows between vehicles and the world around them, trucks, buses, and even trailers will become progressively more autonomous, while reaching new levels of safety and efficiency. There is one company already at the forefront of the technologies that will mobilize this vehicle intelligence. We are WABCO.
So good morning. I'm Philippe Colpron, leading this fleet solution business at WABCO, and I'm very happy to be here at the AWS Summit. It's exciting times for the automotive industry, exciting times for the logistic industry with all of these digital opportunities that are rising ahead. So WABCO, as you saw in the video, is a leading technology provider for the commercial vehicle. We've been around for 150 years, and you will find some WABCO on a majority of the truck, trailers, buses that you will find on the road. We operate globally, employing 16,000 passionate employees, delivering close to $4 billion. And as the industry is moving towards vehicle autonomy, we provide the technology to make that happen. We provide technology to continuously make those vehicles smarter. But I believe that we can leverage a lot of that for improving the efficiency of fleet operators today by allowing them to make the right decision, fact-based decisions, aggregating those data in order to help in real time improving their operations and gradually automating their activities. Still today, in continental Europe, over 70% of goods are transported over road by commercial vehicles. And you and myself, we are, as customers, increasing our expectations in terms of the usage of those goods. So we want to make sure that we improve the efficiency of that road transportation, because it is an industry which is at the heart of our economy. And we believe that every unnecessary kilometer which is driven, any trailer cargo which is unoptimized, or any downtime that can happen with the vehicle can be eliminated. And we want to tackle that 1 trillion euros in inefficiencies that we believe are happening in the logistic industry around the globe. So we leverage connectivity in order to do that. We put telematic units on the trucks, on the trailers, in order to make them connected devices that we can leverage the onboard computers on the vehicles that collect the data on the road, and that can also connect to the drivers, to the cargoes, and to logistic ecosystem in order to provide that information to people that can do something about the efficiency of the operations. Delivering in real time the information to transport operators, aggregating those data, pre-digesting it, and automating some of the tasks. We have started that journey 25 years ago, and as you know, the current technologies, the current cloud applications were not existing back then, but we now already have to manage over 1 million data inserts per minute. Anticipating that we're going to be connecting to more vehicles, anticipating that all our new applications require further processing power and artificial intelligence, we had to think of the future architecture. We have to anticipate that we need scalability in our system. And that's why we started the journey with AWS 2 years ago, in order to leverage AWS's managed services and also the latest technologies that we can provide. So we can focus our time on where we can create differentiation. We can spend our time talking to the customers, understanding the needs, developing solutions that can really improve their efficiency. That we can create differentiation and innovation, and most importantly, that we bring that innovation fast to the market. I believe that these new architectures and these new solutions really give the ability to act fast. So you can see here the architecture of the latest product that we're introducing, where we're introducing end-to-end from installing IoT devices on the vehicles up to having web applications in front of the customers supported with a cloud architecture. And to develop that end-to-end solution, we could actually reduce by half the time from ideation to time to market. And the 3 core services that we would like to highlight that we leverage from AWS is the IoT core, where we can have in a central management of all of the IoT devices that we are having on the road. DynamoDB that allows us to store all of that vehicle information into the cloud, and then EC2 instances that allows us to have all the computing power in a flexible way for running our different data lake clusters and allow us to do our big data algorithms and analytics. So the product that we're launching today, which is based on this architecture, is what we call the trailer fit. In order to put eyes on the trailer, for many years we've been spending time putting eyes on the truck because that's where the driver is, that's where the engine is. But we believe the trailer is equally important. Us, as consumers, we want to know if the cargo has been transported in good quality. The logistic industry, if they want to improve those empty trailers, need to understand if the trailer is full or empty, which we can detect through the weight of the vehicle. And the transport operators want to make sure they have no downtime, that they can see if there's any issue with the vehicle, and that we can predict and anticipate. So we can actually run full diagnostic systems on our ECUs. We can retrieve the information from the sensors, and in case we would require the technical expertise of a mechanic, of a technician, the fleet can share in a secured way that information very easily, for example, with one of the 3,000 authorized WABCO service partners, in order to ensure the vehicle stays on the road, maximizing uptime and improving road efficiency. So this is just one example of the suite of solutions that we want to bring, and that we are bringing to the fleet ecosystem. A suite of solutions that is intended to reduce inefficiencies, and this is how we believe that we're looking into our business development. We talk to the industry, we talk to the customers, and try to identify where do you have waste. And when we identify waste, we'll think of the next application that we can introduce into our application. Most of those products require more data, require more artificial intelligence, and more computing power, and that's why we believe that technology and cloud is important to realize that portfolio. A complete portfolio that allows to improve the efficiency of road logistics. And that allows us to have a new type of discussion, new type of partnership with transport operators that allows us to increase the connecting points within the logistic ecosystems to make it improvement and fueling our vision to make road transportation radically leaner, greener, and safer. Thank you.